Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Creative Crafty Bird Girl, with voice and ASL and voice. Welcome. If you're new, welcome and thanks for coming in. And please subscribe, click the red box, and click the notification bell so you will not miss the fun crap and help me grow the channel and support me. And thank you. Today we're going to make an earth made out of a wood. Today is a Earth Day, how we save our earth. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do, need some wood and moss, grass, and felton, and hot glue. So now, as we start using hot glue, we're going to paste it around on the wood. And what I did is I took a wood, I traced it around, and we're going to glue it on top. Then we trace the shape how to put on the earth. Then also I made a Bumble Bees. We used two foam, and this made out of look like an egg shape and a little circle bone. Then I paint it in black and I twist the pipe cleaner and I put a wiggle eyes and I put it in black and I make it look like a bumblebee. To use in blue, I use some felt. So today is something that's special about the Earth Day. We save our planet, we save our earth, flowers and plants and recycles. And to honor the day today is the Earth Day, to celebrate. So today we're going to make something really simple and easy step to do. So now we're going to take the glue and put it on top of the wood. All around. And we take the moss as we trace it around, and then we paste it on top of the wood, on the wood. Like this. Now, as you see the outside, we're going to cut it around. Make sure it's round. So we cut around the edge. And now we're gonna put the blue felt and make it look like an earth. So now we're gonna glue it, each little blue felt. Put it on this one here on the side. And here. There we go. And now we're going to take the bumblebees and we're going to put on top of the earth. And glue it on the bottom. Right here. There we go. Very simple and easy to make. And if you like this video, give me thumbs up and it will help me grow my channel. And thanks for watching, everyone. And have a great day. Happy Earth Day. Bye.